If two vehicles arrive at uncontrolled intersection at the same time.
This means there are no traffic lights or stop signs controlling the intersection.
The vehicle on the left must yield to the vehicle on the right.
Always check both directions and allow the driver on your right to go first.
If two vehicles arrive at a four-way stop intersection at the same time, drivers should communicate with eye contact and proceed carefully. One vehicle is turning right and the other is turning left. In this situation, both drivers must slow down and watch each other. The vehicle turning right has right-of-way. Right turns usually require less crossing of traffic and can proceed first. When there is a stop sign before the intersection, drivers must come to a complete stop before entering the intersection. The vehicles facing to stop sign must yield to all vehicles. Traffic already moving through the intersection has the right-of-way. The vehicle going straight has the right-of-way over turning. Drivers making turns must wait until it is safe and clear. If vehicles arrive at an intersection at different times, watch the order of arrival before entering. The vehicle that arrives to the intersection first has the right-of-way. After that vehicle clears the intersection, the next driver may proceed safely.